Hey. You just really just turned the light off when we was talking.
You just left the walk out the door. You got your man.
Hey, my baby dolls. Welcome back to my channel. I could do this in the car, babe.
No, do it right now.
I could do it in the car.
Do it right now.
In the car anyway, it was just funny how the light just went off, and I was like, "Hey, baby dolls."
I didn't even know you.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Babe, come on. I can do it in the car.
Go ahead.
I can do it in the car. Come on. Hey, my baby dolls. Welcome back to another vlog. Hey. So, on our way to Mariano's. Because today I am going to try to do a seafood boil, and I usually just buy the seafood boils, but they just like, you should try to cook it. You should try to make it.
I believe in you.
You should try to do it yourself. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but it's gonna be fun. We're gonna try to make it happen. And yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get in the store. I'm about to grab everything that I need for this damn boil. Okay. So far we have the crab legs and the shrimp. So now we gotta get all the other stuff. I left
you say you wanted some sausage?
yeah. Alright, y'all, I am in the motherfucking kitchen and I am so scared. I am so fucking scared. Oh. I couldn't see me trying.
Oh, make sure your booty. You know, last time you did that booty shit, they put a what's the name of your shit?
So I was showing my ass. The motherfuckers was hating. Can't even show my ass. This motherfucker hating. Y'all trying to fuck up my money. I don't give a fuck. Y'all know I don't give a fuck. I should have bought was chicken broth. That's the only thing that I don't have is chicken broth. So it's okay. And we ain't going back to the store. I have the sausage, onion. I bought this seasonings. I thought it would give it a little kick flavor. The garlic, minced chopped garlic. I bought this seasoning hot spice, paprika, chili powder, Creole seasoning, the potatoes, Zatarine crab boil. I'm going to be using that. We have our crab legs and our shrimp right here. I have some more seasonings over here I'm going to use. The onion powder, garlic, red pepper crush, whatever that is. And then I have the boiled hot water. And y'all, I literally been watching videos on how to do this shit on YouTube. So this is crazy. I've been watching everybody's videos, seeing what they use. Everybody kind of like freestyle their own way in a certain way. So of course I'm gonna add on like certain seasonings of my own to make it my own. And I've just been trying to watch videos so it can help me. And as you guys can see, I'm watching Be Love, as you guys can see. And I watched someone else, and I watched somebody else too. She did it super easy. So I'm just kind of like going back and forth for both videos. So I'm doing a YouTube video and I'm watching a YouTube video on how to do this shit. So if you wonder and you really want to do a video, a seafood boil, watch this, because maybe this will help you want to do it. And I've been wanting to do it for a long time. I just feel like it's just so many steps, and you know, if I don't get this right, babe,
you don't get it right,
then what? Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna add, this is the crab oil, the Zatarine crab oil. I'm adding this into the boiling water. So you guys wanna make sure your water is really on boil. And I'm just dropping that in there. Since it's ready. Clean the crab legs. Gotta clean these off because it's dirty. Make sure you clean them off.
Oh yeah, this shit definitely a color already.
Throw on the light right there. Throw on the light over this. Alright, guys. For the longest. This is by Louisiana. This is crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil. So it's basically what you put inside of the boil. And I just had it because of course I was going to eventually do a seafood boil. Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's for that.
It's for this. Definitely. I don't know about inside of the seasonings, but
say like that boy for 15 minutes.
What time is it?
Shit, it's been in here for probably like 3. So I say 5:20 it's been in there. So until 5:35.
Is that enough potatoes?
Shit.
We like potatoes.
We like potatoes.
And I told Bay to get corn. I can't eat corn because of my braces, so I miss eating corn. So actually, you guys, we put in the potatoes inside of the pot with the crab legs. It just makes sense to put it in here. And then when the crab legs is done, we're gonna take it out. It don't take much to cook crab legs. They're basically already done. Yeah, we got 5 more minutes for them to be done. And then I'm sorry y'all, but I just smelled that seasoning and I'm still coughing this season. And then we're gonna let the potatoes boil. Now these red potatoes don't take long either. We like our potatoes to be super soft. Are you good?
Damn.
So we're gonna let that do what it do. I'm gonna add a stick of butter. Put that in there. Okay. Now I'm putting in the garlic. The shit. The whole thing. Okay, so now I have the onions. I'm gonna put all of these in here, and as you guys can see, I did cut the onions like thin. As you guys can see, you guys see how I cut them. So I'm just gonna throw them in here. So you guys, I'm just letting this like simmer in here, and I'm letting the butter. I did add another stick of butter, as you guys see me do, and I'm just letting this melt, and then we're gonna add in the seasonings. And we did take the crab legs out. Perfect.
That shit good as hell. It's flavorful as fuck.
And is flavor. I'm glad we put that in there too.
That shit flavorful as fuck, babe. It's perfect. It's
like
not too
the season is actually
overcooked.
like, yeah.
Because if it was overcooked, it'd be
chewy.
stuck. Nah, it'd be stuck in there. Yeah.
Really?
A hit.
Mm.
Yes!
Sir. Shrimp. We're about to clean that, rinse it off. Clean it those. Right?
Looks so good.
So you guys, it's looking real good and buttery and garlicky and oniony.
Right. Yeah.
I have roasted garlic. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this roasted garlic. And babe, you open this one?
Yep.
Okay. Roasted garlic. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the onion powder. And then I'm gonna take the paprika.
Oh, that makes that shit spicy.
Then I'm gonna take the chili powder. The Creole seasoning. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this sizzling hot for some spice. And a little bit of red crushed pepper. I'm gonna mix this in. And I'm gonna go back and forth with the seasonings, y'all. I'm just showing you guys what all the seasonings that I'm using. I have seen someone use brown sugar in it, so I'm just gonna use a little bit. I don't really know what it's supposed to do, but I'm just gonna use a little bit of this. Maybe that much.
Yeah. Did you want to use your polo asado?
Which one, baby? We can.
It's up. No, I'm whatever you want to do.
We can. And then this polo asado seasoning is basically have onion and what else, baby? Garlic. A whole bunch of seasons in one, basically. I'm gonna add a little bit of this. I'm gonna add a little bit of this seasoning, which is the garlic and onion, black pepper, and sea salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of this.
Ready to rumble.
I did add a little bit of seasoned salt too. Just a little bit of that. We're putting the potatoes inside of the to cut up my sausages. We have some lemons. This sauce, I'm tasting this sauce and bitch, it's so fucking good. So I'm really excited because this shit looking real good. Y'all don't understand how good this sauce is. Oh my gosh, y'all. I am going crazy how this shit is so fucking good. And here is the shrimp and the the crab legs. We took everything out, so they're basically done.
I like it.
Alright, we about to add our sauce, you guys. Oh my god, I'm like so geeked. It don't even make no goddamn sense.
No goddamn.
This is so good.
Go ahead.
Alright, you guys, this is the finished product. Got my sausages on the side, some lemons, sauce. I got a little bit of the sauce on the side. And y'all, we about to go crazy. Like, we're about to go crazy. Y'all see how, oh my god, I wish y'all can taste this. I wish y'all could taste the sauce. Like, this sauce is so good, but that's about it. So good, y'all. Finna fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. She'll need makeup. And y'all, this is the freaking after effect. We went fucking crazy. I still got a little sausage left. We went so crazy. Oh my god. And we still got some stuff left. And I'm full as hell. That was a success. Like, that was a success. And I'm proud of myself for accomplishing this. Because y'all, I'm like, my biggest thing was like, oh my god, I hope I get the sauce right. So yeah, I was really scared about the sauce, but the sauce ended up being like perfect.